Did you know that fantasy sports is now a $70 billion industry? But behind every successful fantasy app lies a complex technical architecture that most developers underestimate. We're talking microservices, real-time data pipelines, distributed caching, and event-driven architectures. Let's dive into what it really takes to build a scalable fantasy sports platform. Building a fantasy sports app starts with choosing the right tech stack. For the backend, you'll need Node.js or Python with Django or FastAPI for high-performance APIs. The database architecture requires PostgreSQL for relational data, Redis for caching, and MongoDB for storing user-generated content. But here's the catch. Integrating all these technologies seamlessly takes months of architecture planning. Real-time data integration is where things get technically brutal. You need WebSocket connections for live updates, Apache Kafka for event streaming, and ETL pipelines to process sports data from multiple APIs like Sportradar, ESPN, and Yahoo Sports. Each API has different rate limits, data formats, and authentication methods. A single misconfigured webhook can crash your entire system during peak traffic. The front end demands React Native or Flutter for cross-platform mobile development, with Redux or MobX for state management. But handling real-time updates across thousands of concurrent users requires implementing WebSocket connections, optimistic updates, and conflict resolution algorithms. You'll need to master techniques like debouncing, throttling, and virtual scrolling just to keep the UI responsive. User authentication and authorization become a nightmare with OATH 2.0, JWT tokens, role-based access control, and multi-factor authentication. You'll implement bscript for password hashing, implement refresh token rotation, and build session management systems. Plus, GDPR compliance requires data encryption at rest using AES 256 and in transit with TLS 1.3. Payment processing requires integrating Stripe Connect or PayPal payouts for handling escrow accounts, automated prize distribution, and instant withdrawals. You'll need to implement idempotency keys, webhook signature verification, and PCI DSS compliance. Building a robust financial reconciliation system alone takes 3 to 4 months of specialized development. Performance optimization demands implementing CDN strategies with AWS CloudFront or Cloudflare, database connection pooling, query optimization with indexing strategies, and caching layers using Redis cluster. During NFL Sundays, you'll face 100 times traffic spikes requiring auto-scaling groups, load balancers, and circuit breakers to prevent cascading failures. The notification system requires Firebase Cloud Messaging or AWS SNS for push notifications with complex delivery optimization algorithms. You'll implement message queuing with RabbitMQ or AWS SQS, handle delivery failures with exponential backoff, and manage notification preferences across multiple channels, push, email, and SMS. Machine learning features demand TensorFlow or PyTorch for player performance prediction models, scikit-learn for lineup optimization algorithms, and Apache Spark for processing massive datasets. You'll need MLOps pipelines for model training, A/B testing frameworks, and feature engineering pipelines that process terabytes of historical sports data. DevOps infrastructure requires Docker containerization, Kubernetes orchestration, CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins or GitLab, and infrastructure as code using Terraform. You'll implement monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana, log aggregation with ELK Stack, and error tracking with Sentry. This entire DevOps setup requires specialized engineers costing $150 to $200 per hour. Testing becomes exponentially complex with unit tests, integration tests, end-to-end tests using Selenium or Cypress, load testing with Apache JMeter, and chaos engineering practices. You'll need test databases, staging environments, and automated testing pipelines. Achieving 90% plus code coverage with proper testing takes 30 to 40% of total development time. By now, you're looking at mastering 20-plus technologies, implementing dozens of APIs, and managing complex distributed systems. The learning curve alone takes 6 to 8 months for an experienced team. Total development cost, $800,000, plus with 18 to 24 months timeline. Most teams give up or launch with critical technical debt that cripples scalability. But what if you could skip this entire technical nightmare? DigiMantra has already engineered all these complex systems. Our proprietary architecture uses microservices with Docker and Kubernetes, real-time data processing with Apache Kafka, and ML-powered analytics with custom TensorFlow models. We've solved every technical challenge you're facing. Our tech stack includes Node.js backends with GraphQL APIs, React Native mobile apps with offline-first architecture, PostgreSQL with Red replicas, Redis cluster for caching, and AWS infrastructure with auto-scaling. We've implemented real-time WebSocket connections handling 10 million concurrent users, payment systems processing $50 million plus monthly, and ML algorithms with 94% accuracy in player predictions. While building this technical infrastructure from scratch costs $800,000 plus and takes 2 years, our development process includes complete source code handover, technical documentation, AWS/GCP deployment scripts, monitoring setup, and 6 months of technical support. You get production-ready code with all the complex integrations already implemented and battle-tested. No technical debt, no scalability issues, no learning curve. Whether you need single sport or multi-sport platforms, daily fantasy or season-long leagues, we provide fully customizable solutions built on proven architecture. Our clients include platforms processing 1 million plus daily active users, handling 100 million plus in annual transactions with 99.9% uptime guaranteed by our technical infrastructure. The technical complexity of fantasy sports development is why 80% of projects fail or never launch. Don't gamble with unproven architectures and experimental tech stacks. DigiMantra's battle-tested platform gives you immediate access to enterprise-grade technology that would take years and millions to develop independently. Ready to skip the technical nightmares and launch with proven, scalable architecture? Our technical architects are ready to discuss your specific requirements, demonstrate our platform capabilities, and show you exactly how our technology stack will power your fantasy sports success. The code is ready, the architecture is proven, your competition is waiting. Contact DigiMantra today and get enterprise-grade fantasy sports technology without the enterprise development costs. Subscribe for more technical insights on scalable app architecture and sports technology innovation.